even more excited this time than we was last time getting the machines in, because now we have electric. Been doing a lot of cleaning, cleaned out all the coolant sump, the chip pan, got the guard on the back, still got the quick change tool post to clean up and get back on. I haven't really got much in the way of tooling for it yet, but I can use the tooling I've got at home for my smaller lathe. The lathe's a bit bigger than anything I've ever run before. A bit of a beast, a bit scary if I'm honest, at 1600 RPM. Show you what I mean. Nicer. Can't see me ever running it at that sort of speed. If I don't have to anyhow. All the feeds work. I've tried loads of the gears, they all seem to do what they're supposed to do. I get oil up in the little oil doodah. Turn it on. There it is. I haven't changed the oil in it. I probably should. It sat outside under a sheet for a few months over winter. I should probably change the oil in it. Put new oil in these on the mill. Put new sight glasses in as well because one of them expired. Me being heavy-handed putting it back in. Can't really tell now, but I spent a lot of time cleaning all the ways on the machine. All in really nice condition. The coolant sump I actually filled with diesel. I cleaned it out as best I could, filled it with diesel and just left it running all day. Circulating. Still needs a bit more cleaning. It needs that emptying out and maybe doing again. It was pretty manky in there. Not easy to clean out through a little hole as well. But yeah. Still can't get over how big that bloody faceplate is. Right, we're going to attempt the first cut on this machine since it's been wired in. My first ever cut on a milling machine, so could be a disaster. We'll see. 20 out. Another 30, I think seems to do a great deal. Doesn't look too bad. It might do to someone that knows what they're doing, but I don't think that looks too bad. Just done my first ever cut on a Anki-L brake disc. Quite happy with that. I'm sure if I knew what I was doing I could get a better finish. Been working on the makeshift welding table on the bed of the crane. This flap was completely seized solid. All these bolts have just sheared off. I need to drill them out, re-tap them. I think I'll probably face this. Now I've got a fancy milling machine, and then I'll spin it over and reface these. And it can go back onto the Ford. Something else that's not in bits will make a change. Your fancy wiring comes in through this box. Feel that magic pipe through the wall. Happy days. Another exciting thing, fancy toolbox. I've even cleared some of the junk off the top of it. Been spending a lot of money on stuff for the milling machine. New collet chuck and some new collets. This is the first mill that's in at the moment. I would like to know more about this chuck. It's kind of intriguing. Came as part of the lot when I bought the mill and the lathe and all the associated stuff that come with it. I can't imagine it's ever been used with either of these machines, but I don't really know. It's a Bernard. Good old Bernard, eh? Right, well, I think that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. Hope you got some sort of enjoyment out of it. And we'll be back when there's some more action. Cheers, stay safe.